today's celebration. So first and foremost, a very good evening and a very warm welcome to all the ladies and gentlemen present here. I can change people and people can change the world. So let's invoke the blessings of Almighty through a short prayer.
गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं श्रीभजामि सततं सुरेश्वरं श्रीगजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्
Premise of Sahyadri College of Engineering is a holistic look at education which brings in all-round development of students and staff and provides every moment of a learning opportunity in all its small and big events. Holistic spans from making process so robust that irrespective of type of the input, what should be envisaged in the output is being devised in this process. Persistence and sense of commitment never goes unrewarded. The only thing one has to inculcate is a forbearance in one's endeavor. Sahyadri College of Engineering Management is doing a yeoman service in the field of education. The institution is upholding the quality of professional education as well as professionalism in higher education. Indeed, the college is truly making a mark in the field of research by establishing the MOU with Ghent University Belgium, Paradise University Paradise. At the same time, Ghent University has identified Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management as a potential of excellence. This is really a dream come true for this organization. So, in this endeavor, the year begins with a bridge course for freshers spanning critical topics in maths, English and computer, so that when they begin their regular engineering, they are pulled up and guided for engineering. This has resulted in enhanced results of first semester. More than that, result has boosted the confidence of new Sahyadrians. This has promulgated in results up to 90% in first years and being the top notch of VTU and in this zone. And I'm proud that more than 50% of them have more than distinction. Our compliments to all the students for their efforts and the parents for vesting their confidence in Sahyadri. Enthusiasm is contagious, so this first semester result has carried them in higher semester with good results, helping us to be one amongst the top 3. So 8th semester results, we have more than 95% and most branches have 100%. From 4th, 6th, results have shown an increasing trend. However, we still need to be more effective. And our new ventures of MCA has with 94% and MTech 82% have also blossomed in the very first year. The details of toppers will be indicated in the annual academic honors. It is a firm conviction that institution without the inclusive growth of students' professional education is incomplete. Keeping these aspects in mind, the college conducts various activities through respective departments. Every department of the college is doing exemplary work for the betterment of students. For this, college has a separate department of art and culture in order to enhance and enrich students' talents, extracurricular activities. Regularly, it conducts various programs like drama, singing, debate, and so on. This unremitting effort rewarded the college intensely by emerging as runners-up in state-level verbatim English debate competition. When we say all-round, sports and culture play an important role. In this endeavor, streamlined and structured training process has enabled us to sustain the top position. The college athletic team has won the overall trophy in boys and girls in VTU 14th Intercollegiate Athletic Meet, where 105 colleges participated. And our girls 4x400 relay team won the gold medal with a new VTU meet record. Our student won the march past, and Shruti Shetty was adjudged the best athlete in the girls section. Sahyadri women's volleyball team also emerged as champions in VTU intercollegiate state level volleyball tournament, and throwball team also emerged as champions in the VTU level rest of zone. VTU level weightlifting, powerlifting and best physique competition where 49 teams participated. The team won the runner-up trophy with 5 new meet records. Abhijit Kotegar won the best weightlifter award with 3 new meet records. And Ashton Wicken created 2 meet records in weightlifting. Also, our college participated in VTU, football, table tennis, volleyball, shuttle badminton, and in the cross-country race also. Carol won the first place in state-level amateur athletic meet held at Udupi and got selected in the national level held at Ranchi. Because of these achievements, VTU has honored the college with 1 lakh cash prize, thanks to all the student community making us Sahyadri proud. As a matter of fact, training and placement department is striving hard to make students ready for industry. To achieve this, task is training the students to value-added courses, certified courses on Java, HP, aptitude training, training on C, C++, so on. These trainers' efforts reflected in getting placements of Sahyadrians. A good number of students are placed in multinational reputed companies like Infosys, Oracle Financial Services, Oracle On Demand Operation, Aditya Birla Group, JSW Steel, etc. And more than 80% placements have taken place in the last 1 year. The Department of ENC organized a national level paper presentation with 64 papers. Department of Computer Science and Information Science conducted a national level technical fest NGIT 2011 for UG and PG students, and a 2-day workshop on advanced network programming using sockets for all staff members of various universities and colleges. Department of Civil Engineering conducted a workshop on development of applications in bamboo in construction and in other areas like ground improvement techniques, earthquake engineering. Mechanical department conducted road safety workshop and workshop on design and creativity. And amidst all these things, we also have faculty honors. First one is Miss Sri Vidya Bhatt of Computer Science faculty has bagged the 2nd rank at VTU MTech Computer Science. One more faculty, Joy Ling, who is doing her masters in IIIT Allahabad, has topped the 1st semester at IIIT Allahabad. We have 6 faculty pursuing their PhDs, 1 MSc by research, 9 MTech, and our students have done the wonderful projects. As a result, last year 4 projects were sanctioned by KSCST, and this year another 4 have been through. There have been more than 30 publications in the last 1 year by staff, and 4 books have been authored. Thus, the activity that has been highlighted in the report itself is a mirror image of the college and in its incredible journey in professional education. I thank all the students and the faculty for making Sahyadri proud. Thank you.
He was the director of NITK Surathkal. He was the registrar of VTU Belgaum, principal of SDM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, and head of the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, NITK Surathkal. I welcome you to the Sahyadri family, sir, with great love and affection. A warm welcome to you, sir, again. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I feel happy to be amidst you to participate in this annual college day for two reasons. One, I thought incidentally I can meet a few people whom I know well, either as my students or as my one-time colleague somewhere in this institute, who are faculty over here. But more than that, on which I was very much impressed, is the progress of this institution in the last 5 years of its inception. I served all through in IITK, which is considered as the most prestigious engineering institution in the part of undivided South Canara, Dakshin Kannada and Udupi put together. And there was a feeling that next to KREC or NITK, as you are aware of now, is only Manipal Institute. Thereafterwards, no college worth the name came. Later, Nitte Institute came as the third choice for people who want to opt for South Canara engineering colleges. Then there was a lull period and only these three continued in the same preference. Some 7-8 years back, almost 10 years back, 10 years back, St. Joseph's College came, and then slowly that also made good progress, and then people started telling, yeah, if not this Nitte College in the private sector, well, we'll try St. Joseph's. This college, in the last 5 years, if I look at the progress, and if I am to go by the statements made by youngsters, either who are studying here or at the time of CET counseling, people do consider this as one of the major institutions to join. That shows, that speaks high of this institution. So, and I have been told, because I still have some connection with VTU, and then people who come here for inspection, and they either happen to work with me or I have some relation. They say, the college layout is fantastic. The college is built very beautifully, and logistically it is like a plant layout in industrial mechanical engineering, a plant layout concept. So that way, this is very good. I didn't have an opportunity to come here and then see for myself. So I thought, when my young friend Bushi asked me, why don't you come? And Prabhakar, I know him for quite some time, and he also said, Professor, you must come to our college. I readily agreed, thinking that this is an opportunity to meet you all. Institutions, technical institutions imparting higher education, they play a very important role, a pivotal and crucial role, I would say. And the demand for technical education is of varied interest, and objectives and scopes are totally being different. People think of that higher education in any university, no matter whether it is a private university, a deemed university, a state university, or conventional state, UGC aided state universities, whatever be that, people say that this is receiving the tertiary education, that is the college education is the most important one, and that plays a major role.
Anniversary as such. The first one was in the year 2008. The college started in 2007. And right from that day, we are celebrating this college day every year. And Professor Ramegowda, Professor Kincha, Professor Sanchetti were the chief guests of that function. Later on, Professor Kulkarni was our chief guest. In the third anniversary again, repetition took place. Professor Kincha and Professor Sanchetti were there again for the second time. Later on, it is Professor N.R. Shetty. Today we have very distinguished metallurgist of this country, that is Dr. Sudhakar Naik with us. I am really proud of him. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting my invitation. I want to tell a few words about our trust. It started in the year 2002 with a vision of supporting the sports, culture and health. As a result, the first college that is established by our trust is Sahyadri College of Nursing. And it went on, and finally the last college to be started is Sahyadri College of Management and Sciences. We have managed to have really good faculty from various parts of the state. We are trying to give the maximum facilities to our students. They are not clapping me, so they are thinking that I am telling something bogus. Now we also have excelled very well in sports, and we got the cash award of 1 lakh rupees from VTU. Why I am telling is, it is again and again, already principal has told, but the person who was instrumental in establishing such a award scheme is Professor Sudhakar Shetty, when he was the registrar of VTU. So when he is here, that year only we have grabbed the prize installed by Professor Sudhakar Shetty, when he was the registrar. Professor Alka Kulkarni is here. With our invitation, she has also joined us. I am very thankful to her, and we may expecting some thanks to you also, some sort of chocolates for you. We are thinking of making the annual day festival at least for 2 days from the next year. So we are working out the modalities for it. From next year it will be definitely for 2 days. With these few words, I thank everyone. I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's the legacy of our country to may I now call upon Danish Hegde to express the words of gratitude. Over to you.
Good evening, everyone. May I invite the principal to present Dr. Sudhakar Naik with a gift as a token of our appreciation. I also express our gratitude towards Professor Alka Kulkarni for being with us. Ms. Sharadi will present a gift to